Hey, yeah.
Ég vil mig vel, bara rekin í gæra og eitthvað. Ég þekki hann að gæla sem vinni á vinnumlástöðum, ég hitt hann bara á mánudaginn.
Já.
Lætur hann gefa mér eitthvað juicy deal.
Hey, yeah.
Það er alltaf rigning hjá mér. Þetta er bara svo í lífinu.
Það er eins og í lífinu.
Bara svart skíðu við kallar hann.
Okay to you? Fancy a fight?
Fæ ekki svona rétt á
Doing a bit
bjór.
of practice instead. How about a sparring match?
Hvernig er maður að opna hann kassa?
Nei, þetta er rétt verð. Sjáðu. En ég pantaði sko stóra sko, en ég skil ekki okkur séu ekki að sé það. 5 og 5 er rétt verð. Svo kemur sko shipping og taxes. Taxes er 1000 kall.
What exactly do you have in mind for this sparring? We use
Nei,
wooden
7500.
have a bout, and afterwards you can
Það
give
er
me
2000
some
kall fyrir
pointers.
farið sko.
And of course, I won't expect it for free. I'll certainly give you something
Ah,
for
fuck
your
it.
trouble.
Að senda brjálaðar á það.
Já, ég gerði nú ekki eitthvað
What
brjálaði.
exactly do you have in mind for this
Þá
sparring?
get ég bara drukkið
We
þetta.
use wooden weapons. Have a bout, and afterwards you can give. And of course, I won't expect it for free. I'll certainly give you something for your trouble. What exactly do you have in mind for this sparring? We use wooden weapons. Have a bout, and afterwards you can give me some pointers. And of course, I won't expect it for free. I'll certainly give you something for your trouble. What exactly do you have in mind for this sparring? We use wooden weapons. Have a bout, and afterwards you can give me some pointers. And of course, I won't expect it for free. Right. So, ready to go?
Ready?
Já.
So, how did I do?
You're dragging your front foot a bit. Every time you draw back, you leave that leg too far forward. But otherwise it was decent.
You're probably right.
Skal grímur kalla á þér 7500 kall fyrir rútu.
Barlón Safecode 1083. Pix.
catch me in deep water again. My shoulder still hurts from the last time.
Hur kan Henry ekki að synda?
You shouldn't be walking around
Þú er bara glataður.
Hann læri það í leik 3. Heldur að koma Kingdom Come 3 eða?
Já,
Hvað er þetta? 10 ára eða?
já. Þurftum ekki að bíða lengi eftir þessum, sko.
I believe in God, the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth, and in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our
Nice.
Lord, who was conceived by the Holy Spirit and born of the Virgin Mary. He suffered under Pontius Pilate, was crucified, died, and was buried. He descended into hell. On the third day, he rose again. He ascended into heaven and is seated at the right hand of God the Father Almighty. He will come again to judge the living and the dead. I believe in the Holy Spirit,
Hata þessi
The Holy
fucking
Catholic Church.
transform.
the communion of saints, the forgiveness of sins, the resurrection of the body, and life everlasting. Amen.
Fucking lagar maður, ég er komið hyggsta.
Eiginlega.
Bara ef ég drakk ekki light, þá bara fæ ég bullandi bakflæði.
Já.
Þetta er klokkan fucking 7.
Hvað á klukkan 7?
Ég opnaði þá.
Hvað er kvöld?
Já,
Hvað fæst bara 7 tíma svefn?
Yep.
Go away. You can't fit. Where do you think you're...
Veitu hvað á ég að drepa þá eða? Þetta eru Sigmund's Supplies. Já,
Þú getur farið,
yfir nótt.
það er leið framhjá hægra megin. Klifur á bara.
Já, já. Ég held að maður er að sníka.
Þú voru að býða bara hún til þessi lampar burti. Það lampar fram og tilbaka, eða klifur á þarna upp hægra megin. Betur að gera það nótti til, sko. Ég veit það.
Það er ekki nótt.
Hvað ertu ekki að vera að ræna bara eitthvað sausages?
Jú. Held ég náðu sig ekki bara, jú, ég segi það. Líka nú að hvort þið er að seifa. Mástu hvað það er að?
Nei, jættan maður, ég hata þessa gaura. Herri, ég þarf bara að drulla skadur í kúki í mig, sko.
Ég er búinn að drulla svona 3-4 sem.
Já, ég held að þú búin að taka okkur með í hvert skipti. Jú, kemur smá.
Já. Easy.
Buy 2 pots. I've got lots. Have the bowl as well. Good day. Embroidery.
Excuse
Silk
me?
embroidery. Ribbons of all colours.
Feed the poor.
Good day to you.
I brought you some food.
Sweet Jesus! I can't believe it! I must be dreaming. So much food! I'll feed my whole family, and have some left over for the neighbors. Who do I thank for this feast?
All this is from the Kuttenberg Guild. And the good king went...
Is this how the guild takes care? May God bless our... Farewell.
Welcome.
I brought you some food.
Dear God, I must be dreaming. So much food, it's like a royal feast. I'll fill my belly and even have some left over for tomorrow. Who should I thank for the...
All this is from the Kuttenberg Guild.
Is this how the guild... May God... Take care for now.
I brought you some food.
Sweet Jesus, I can't believe it. I fill my belly and even have some left. Who do I thank for this?
For everything. Thank...
Is this how the guild take... May God be with you.
Greetings.
I'm bringing you...
Dear God. I must be dreaming. So much food. It's like a royal feast. I'll feed my whole family. And have who sent us?
Thank the local guild.
Long live our good King Vens. Take care. Lord be with you.
I'm bringing you...
Oh my goodness. Who do I owe?
The Kuttenberg Guild.
Take care now.
Greetings.
I brought you some food.
Dear God, I must be dreaming. I'll feed my whole family and have some. Who should I thank?
All...
Is this may God? Take care.
Nonsense. He doesn't stand a chance.
Här är born och feed the poor. Ja.
You shouldn't be walking around by yourself. The Lord be with you.
I brought you...
Dear God, I'll fill... Who should I...
All this...
I'll be with you.
God bless.
I did what you asked me to...
Great.
The chest is emptied.
And you left the cabbage for him?
No.
It was such an easy task.
Aj!
Never mind.
Glimte i. að finna cabbage maður. Er ég með það á mér? Það ekki. Neip. Fucking hell.
Full and intoxicating. The smell of a
cottage cheese. Greetings.
Show me.
Maybe next time then. Come and take a look. Quality
New
good.
wares.
I'll have a...
Hvað segir ekki fucking cabbage?
Maybe next time then.
Quality goods. The finest wares. What was it I wanted?
axes, strong axes, twice tempered, fair prices, fine wares.
Good day to you.
God in heaven, you'll see.
Iron wares, knives, rivets, axes. Come and take them.
I apologize.
Excuse me.
Fullt af cabbage en að geta pikkað upp.
Quality good.
Woolen broadcloth, quality fabrics with great prices. Good day. Good day to you. Tools, iron tools. Tools here.
Þetta er cabbage í kistuna. Það hlýtur að vera. Sjá til.
God be with you.
Oh my god, ég skeitast í mig. Fuck.
I'm all done in.
Já, eða grúsur auðvitað.
Be careful. God is punishing us for our sins.
Good doggy. Good boy.
Stay close to the others. It's not safe here.
Eyjabjörn.
Eyjú, já. Ég ætla ekki að missa hann aftur.
Nú. Góð maður eða?
Nei. Ég gleymdi að setja kappins í kistuna. Ég myndi ekkert eftir því, ég tók þetta mission hella þér í gær, sko.
Herru, myndi ég komin hingað?
Ég bara drullaði hérna live. Ég skeitast í mig að það.
Í alvöru?
Já.
Það var búinn að drulla 5 sinnum.
Jep. Ég ætlaði að lauma einu maður og bara hann ullaði, sko.
Já.
Ég sá fucking fyndi myndband úr þarna Resident Evil.
Ekki spoila?
Nei, þetta er ekkert spoil. Það var zombie sem á skaut og zombien lifði og hún var með chainsaw í gegnum maðan á sér. Hún drafst þannig. Zombie var down en chainsaw draf Leon S. Kennedy.
Keep close to others. It's not safe here.
Tjöfus skítalegt er þetta maður.
Coins.
Good day to you.
Greetings to you too.
Ég get líka...
Klæði mér í rastinsunni.
Bara ónýttir í báða.
Jep.
Hvað ég að gera við þetta rare metta?
Já, ég var lite kapitan að færa hérna í groceries.
Pleasure doing business. Take care.
Ég gerði missinu fucking vel, sko. Nokkaði einn át og sá mig enginn. Ert þú bara Pebbles? Hvenær byrjaði að spila?
Bara... Hvað er að tala um í dag?
Já.
Ég spilaði smá í morgun, bara einhvern klukkutíma. Nefndi ég ekki síðan halda ára og ég var svo þreytur. Ég var bara...
Já. Það meðan ég var bara dauður heima.
Ég var dauður á sama tíma þú, sko.
11?
Ég tók eftir napp. 11:12 til 7.
Já.
Ég fór nefnilega líka svo klukkan 5 og þurfti að vakna klukkan 8:30, 9 eða eitthvað. Andlóðundur.
Þetta er í spottaða núna. Fuck.
Kemst ekkert inn það pantri.
Ég var með lykil á hann og allt maður. Já.
Já. Veit ekki hvað ég á að gera, bröf. Það bara 2. Nice. Nice.
Hvað ert að fíla að USA er komin í Íran?
Er ég að fíla? Gæti vel verið saman, sko. Nei, alveg sprengja þetta liði tættir, sko.
Það bara verið ekki þriða heimstyrjöldin, maður. Býtti, er ekki... Jú, Pakistan og Afganistan líka í stríði núna. Alltaf að vera í klessu.
Þeir eru búin að vera lengi, sko, en það er ekkert búið að vera í gangi þarna í Pakistan og Afganistan, sko.
Núna?
Hvað er búið að gerast?
Þeir eru byrjað að negla inn í Afganistan.
Var ekkert búin að heyra á því?
Það var í fréttum bara daginn.
Já, ok.
Hvað er aftur fátækagæðin? Ég var hérna á hann. Mástu hvað það er?
Á kirkjunni.
Já, þetta er hérna einhvers staðar.
Ég meina þegar ég var, ertu ekki að gefa svo bara mat til fátækt fólk?
Jú, þeir eru hér sko.
Ég fór bara til kirkjuna maður, þeir eru alltaf þar að begga sko.
Hérna búa þeir sko.
Já, meina það.
Hérna fann ég þarna fleece til að setja í baðið.
The Lord be with I brought you... Unfortunately...
Oh my god.
I brought you some food.
Sweet G. Who is this? Make farewell.
Pantry lice.
Greetings. Do you...
I brought you...
Dear. Oh, who's...
For it. He's make...
Oh, see you later. Have a good evening.
Good day to you.
I'm bringing...
Dear
God. Þessi hefði last líka.
Thank...
Long. Take care, my friend.
Christ. Greetings. I brought you...
The hell? Ég losna nú sko.
Dear. I'll feed... Who should I... For... Is this made God... See you later, my friend.
Finnir út sjálfur hvernig maður opnaði þetta rast.
Skan ég veit að ég er búinn að vera grænt á mikið í þölunni. Ég ætla að taka eyrnalokan af mér og drepast í þeim eftir headsetin.
Já.
Good day to you. I brought you... Dear, I'll film... Who should I... Oh. Is this like... I'll be with you. Excuse me.
I'm telling you, he doesn't stand a chance. Conrad wins every time. Just look...
Lord be with you. I did what you asked me.
Great! So you're...
I robbed the chest and left the cabbage in it.
Ha ha! Great work! He's in for a big surprise, the red-headed fucker. Good work! What about the beggars?
I fed as many people as I could.
You're a hero. Folk will really appreciate that, you know? Now, that wasn't so. And that feeling of we may not be any richer.
You know what? I'm beginning to understand the guild's modesty.
See? And now, let's talk about you. Just before I tell you more about it, try to... I'm sure there are a few side jobs for it. And Goliath could teach you how to throw a proper... He's the best brawler.
You said you have some more work for...
Well, you might have noticed there's some houses in Kuttenberg with peculiar symbols.
What symbols?
Kind of little markings you'd easily miss if you don't know about them. But you'll spot them if you keep your eyes peeled.
What are they for?
Before we was here, before the guild, even before Sigismund turned up, this whole place was under the thumb of another gang. They didn't have a name, and they wasn't aiming at a greater cause like us. They was mostly thieves, but it was hard to get the drop on them, on account of how cunning they was.
And they used these symbols?
They thought them up.
And what were they for, these symbols?
It was a way of marking houses. One of the crew drew a symbol to send a message to the others.
Smart idea. But what's it got to do with me?
Being able to use them symbols would come in plenty handy for us. Think of all the benefits. We tracked down one of the old gang recently. His name's Hinek, but he used to call himself Greaser. He was a bit of a know-it-all and made fun of everything. I sent Hogg to find out the meaning of the symbols from him, but I'd rather someone else kept an eye on him.
Where can I find this?
I'm glad you're up for it. His house is...
Not too bad.
Ég var ekkert að hlusta hvað ég var að gera.
It's a good thing Mutt isn't here.
Come over here.
Chenyak wants me to do something.
What does he want this time? That idiot would be better off finding himself a woman instead of... Let me guess. It's something real important.
I'm supposed to keep an eye on Hogg, who went to find out the meaning of the old thieves' symbols.
What do you think about it?
I think so. Could help in our fight against...
I guarantee you Sigismund don't give a fuck about no scribbles on houses. This is just a missed opportunity.
You think so?
Look here, friend. If you find out something about them symbols, tell me. And I mean only me. I promise. They ain't just any old symbols. They're thieves' symbols, see? Help me out, and you won't regret it. Don't be daft. Think about it. Shenyek's acting like a little kid, but us two would make a great... Take care. Have a good evening.
I apologize.
Snúa við hérna.
Careful.
Good evening. Do you need something?
Hvernig kemst ég fram hjá honum?
Shenyek said you might have some work on the side for me.
Sure.
Ég að tala við Svenna í
You did a
leiknum.
pretty good job last time. I'll give you that. So,
Hvað
I think we can be trusted.
Do you have something?
You know the rules. If I tell you about it,
Maður sé
you can't back out.
prófa að nota þetta á hann.
I know how it is.
Good. But there's a catch. It's not dangerous, it's just... You see, a certain mine owner recently kicked the bucket. And that Hanneman Rot may have been a cunt, but he sure was rich. And above all. So, by law, the church, the city, and that Hungarian whoreson Sigismund will all get...
And what do you want me to do?
Fortunately, Rot was vain enough to be buried in a tomb with his rings. And more important...
Ah, I understand. The guild could use a seal to conclude a few interesting
Most astute. Exactly so. Bring me the seal, and what corpses can always be difficult. So if you want any good luck charm...
Where is the dead mine owner's tomb?
Right in the Sedlet's graveyard in the underground. Just look for a freshly bricked hole in the wall. It might...
What does the seal look like?
Nothing special. Just a bronze seal.
Good. Now I know everything.
So, break a leg.
Good.
So,
tell me more about the...
One couldn't get by without them in our profession. You can usually buy them cheap from an executioner or knacker. Some fingers, hair, veins, teeth and fingernails. They're all good if you want to be lucky.
Do you have one of those thief's charms?
Naturally. Tried and true.
Fine.
Hvað gerir maður með thief charms?
You really... By all means.
Bara veit ekki.
Hangman's hair.
I'm Henry.
I'm Rat, that's what they call me. My nimble fingers can... Me and Hog, we're the main workforce in the guild.
Tell me about yourself.
I'm doing what I've always... But now, I'm doing it for a higher purpose.
Herri, ég held að ég
Because
þarf
I
bara
only
að
steal
skjóta
from the enemies of the kingdom...
Have you ever thought about finding more on...
And let others rob me blind of... Thanks.
Nam.
Hei, ég...
Pantaðu bjór hana?
If you want to talk, go to
8 skall fyrir lítið bjór.
All I can tell you is that ever since the guild began, even thievery makes more sense.
Keyptuðu bóla?
Suddenly, I don't feel... And a part of every haul goes to the poor.
Isn't that just an excuse?
Þú lofaðir að drekka í
Not
dag.
at all. You can see the results with your own... Most of the city is on our side.
Nei.
Æ, góða.
Þú ert alltaf hræddir, þú þarft að drekka. Herru, þetta er svona ringur. Plús 18 í karisma.
Þeir geta allt og mikið í grettið, sko. Eitti, held ég,
Klippu?
20 skot. Nei, 3 klippum.
Ha.
3 klippum hérna dútamaður og hann bara er ennþá standað.
Let's talk about... Do we have a...
Look. I...
Hvernig er 4 að horfa á mig? Er ég voru einhver celeb á YouTube eða? Þannig.
Hallje.
Der Kurd ist sehr hässlich, aber hat ein große Popo. What? Grímur mættur. Þetta var alveg inn á mig, Grímur. Hvað keypti ég? 2 fokkir hringi? Nei, er ég heimskur? Ég var lélegur súti. Þetta bara ekkert betra en þess ég með. Geir. Keypti hringina en tilbaka þarna. Ich habe nicht das verboten.
Worried about the How's this?
That sound? Aye.
Herre, ég er bara fucking lost. Ég veit ekki hvað ég gera.
Kurvan willst du Rainbow Six Siege-spielen?
Hvað þýðir það?
Eitthvað Siege-spilað örgulega. Næs, já.
Næs, get ég bara gert það svona? Can't use. Það að opna hann helvítis kassi einhvern veginn. Unlock the door in the center hall.
Get up. I only gave you a little slap. Halt! Who's there? Oh.
God damn it, Hog! What have you done? We won't get anything out of him now.
Me there. You've got to help me.
What the fuck happened here?
Well, he
Sven er bara besti Blackbeard-spilaren.
A fall? Yep. He just fell over all on his own and ended up like this?
On his own? Honest to God. Fell over and died right before my eyes.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, Chenyek sent me to go and ask about them symbols. You know, polite like. Only this bastard started fucking with me.
Þannig ég hef spilað í sjónvarpinu með kveikta headsetunum.
Fucker. He was just asking for it.
Oh, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Það er á punktinu mér.
He was laughing in my face. Giving me all sorts of riddles.
75.
So, I lost
it. Líkin helvítis bjór.
Yep.
Skamaður, sko.
He caught another one from the table on the way down and ended up like this.
Kostaði 5 og 5. Farið 2 skall og 1000 skall í
Did you find out anything about the symbols at least before this?
When I start seeing red.
Þetta er bara Grím að kenna, hann vaktaði ekki ríkið. Já.
Do you remember anything at least? Anything?
Þú ert bara vaktaði ríkið.
To me in riddles. So I tell him I ain't no little kid. And to talk to me normal.
And then?
When he saw the smoke coming out, he said he showed me some important parchment.
Já.
Do I look like a fucking scribe?
Já, engar á að gera það. Ég held að það myndi koma með bjórn.
Well, how should I know? I gave him a slap. Well, take a look at it yourself. I reckon. Check his pouches.
Hann er kallar Hogg, hann alltaf.
well.
Já, herri, ég ætla ekki sýts.
Legg inn á því helming ef við... Já. Skemmar!
Já.
You read it. So?
Yes, but unfortunately for you, it's another riddle.
Della.
Something about a vineyard and running water. Can't make much sense of it.
The bastard. He's fucking with us, even from beyond the grave.
No. It's our only lead to find out anything about the
Já, borga helming og færa bara half the price. Ég búinn að spila, þannig að...
Chenyek has the quickest wit of all of us. If you can't crack it, you can ask him. But, please. You won't come up with nothing new.
C5 smáir á fyrir Grím. Hann á nóga pening.
Jep. Hann húsegandi, sko.
Fréttið að frá Gesk og hann bara með á bankabók ykkur 35-40 miljónir, sko.
Já.
God bless.
Já, 7 og 5. 7 og 5.
Veistu hvað 7 og 5
7 plus 5 ekki 12.
I'll challenge you to a... You're not listening to me, eh? If you want...
Þú borgar þetta allt Grímur, ef þú færð 20 kills í leik þá núlast allt út.
Jep. Sammála því.
I'll challenge... You're not listening.
Hvað þarf að klukkan að vera bara 12 á slegin eða? Það var tjöld. Hvert fór hann núna, helvítið?
Hvað, ertu að infiltrata the meeting?
Já, þarf ég að gera það núna?
Já, ef þú mætir ekki á... Já, þú bara missar það.
Þú veist?
100 p. Herri, ég þarf bara að hlaupa framhjá.
Það er svo mörg missi sem þeir gera á nóttunni, sko. Veistu hvað, 7 og 5 er mikið?
Fuck!
Þetta er bara þér að kenna, Grímur. You snooze, you lose. Svo þarf að fara ríki í dag. Svo sagði þeir mér að panta á netinu, ég gera það.
Holy hell, hvað er fljótur?
I'll challenge you. Then you shall have... But first, let's...
All right.
First of all, fight like a man. I'm not going to... You stick your nose outside the cemetery wall, and you're finished. If you've had enough, feel free to give up.
Do you expect the same?
No. On principle, I fight as long as I can. And be so kind and try not to stomp around here too much. So those under the...
All right.
We'll go over there. There'll be more space. Ready?
Þetta er eitthvað skemmtill, Grímur.
Big mistake, shithead.
Þetta er svaka fistfighter maður.
I'm just getting warmed up, you shit.
Ertu með hvað ég er lost í þessu leik? Þá...
Fucking hell!
Þá reikna með þessu leik að vera svona 50 klukkutíma til að gera.
Hvað þetta er lost í Resident Evil?
Ég er bara með að explora allt og ég þarf að finna helst lykil. Ég bara hef grænan hvað.
I'm just getting warmed up, you shit! Shit! There. That's that. Oh, wound. Oh, I haven't got a beating like that since I buried my pa.
That was just a warm-up. I went easy on you.
You youngsters these days. You'll bend over backwards just to prove you're better than... Believe me, we're all equal in the grave. Well, you beat perhaps God sent you to me as a sign I should...
Well, it's true someone sent me here. But it wasn't God.
But with a successor like you, I don't really mind. So you won't think I'm a monster. I'd like to give you something as a reward. I don't have much, but I could teach you something. What do you say to that?
And what exactly...
You mean what sort of skills can... Sometimes you've got... Nothing is... I can show... Or tell you...
Ég hef ekki tíma til að læra, ég að fara infiltrita þetta drasslanda. Sagði ekki að það myndi hverfa?
Ég reikna með því.
Það er sjá. Gutenberg. Paldi sinni, ég þarf ekki að fara til húsi núna.
Já. Þú ætlar ekki samt að vera að eyða fólkin 8 skall til að senda til þín bjór. Þá ert ég mong, sko.
Algjör erlingur.
Já, þið kemst ekkert.
Hey! Hey! Open up! Open
Herri,
up!
ég held að ég sé bara að gúrgla.
Ég er ekki sinni í armónum mínum, ég er kúkt.
What are you doing, Moishe?
Futsa Capora, piece of junk! Never mind. We'll cut this shit down.
Ég er kúkt.
Totaman. I'll beat you to a bloody pulp. Ha! Dummkopf.
Wait! Don't kill him.
Maður þarf að lesa nótsinn maður til að vita hvað er í gangi, sko.
We can make a deal. We have some of your people, we can exchange them.
Já, alveg.
Our people? What the hell are you talking about? We caught some of them yesterday, trying to get to Liechtenstein, just like you. No, I'm after Liechtenstein because I need to talk to him. Not his enemy. If you know where he is, you better take me to him. Right now. I have my orders. I'm not supposed to let anyone near him. Especially not someone who just beat my 2 best men.
Þannig helming og vinna 5 í röð.
I'm not a fool. go unarmed. If that'll convince you. I'll trust you. But in return, you have to trust me. You can't see where we're going. All right. But no tricks. Those are the rules.
Ég spá fá mér svona Henry-klippingu. Hann mætt.
Færðu svona skræpklippingu.
Hvernig það?
Það með þarna gat í miðinni.
Svona munkur.
Munkur, já.
Wait. Who's that somewhere?
We will soon find out. Let us in.
Wenches or the neighbour's daughter, any dirt you can dig up. Off you go! Who have you brought now, Sam?
I'm not entirely sure. But he says he knows you, and absolutely insisted he had to talk to you.
Ah. Of course. Henry. Lord Capon of Perkstein's page. We met on my visit to Rattay. He's all right.
Lord Capon's escort. And bodyguard.
Akkur ég bara bauka sem
But tell me, what brings you here?
Well, that's
That's
quite a long story, sir.
Hvað sér akkur þú bara með hvað?
Bauka.
Actually, I enjoy long stories.
Já, bauka.
You know why?
Bauka, litli bjórar.
Because they demand a lot of wine. Please, take a seat and tell me everything.
Ég veit ekki hvort ég mun að klára þessa rúti núna, skil.
Það er bara hann,
Já,
If I'm not mistaken, Jobst sent you to von Berkhoff with a message.
kláraði líka 12
How did that
flagra í
go?
gær.
Já, ógislega bjór.
Ekki bara það, sko. Þú kláraði líka 3 light. Þú drakst 15 bjóra í
In a
gær.
word, badly.
Oh, how's that?
Nei, ég átti 2
I don't know
eftir.
where to start.
Kjaftaði 3.
I'm lucky to be alive.
Sagði það við mig.
In any case,
Nei, ég átti 2
neither
eftir
von
núna.
Berghoff
Ég var að
nor
drekka
the League of
2.
Lords are planning to join Jobst.
Good God.
Þannig ég drekk bara 13.
I need a drink now.
Bara.
But did you manage to deliver the message in the end?
We did.
And? What was von Berkhoff's reaction?
That bastard first used us, and then wanted to get rid of us. We only just avoided being killed.
Sacre.
Sacre.
So there's no chance the League of Lords will turn against Sigismund?
No chance. On the contrary. Von Berghoff and von Aulitz came here to Kuttenberg to be at Sigismund's beck and call.
Christ. And what are you doing here, actually?
I came here with a man called Zizka.
Zizka? Jan Zizka of Trotsnov?
You know him?
Of course I do. Zizka is in the service of Prokop of Luxembourg, King Wenceslas's cousin.
Aye, we found that out as well. What was strange was that his band was infiltrated by Istvan Toth, if you remember.
That rat from Tarnberg. What was he doing there?
Turned out he was spying for von Berghoff. But he didn't do a great job, fortunately. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here.
I am starting to get confused. That makes 2 of us. Maybe we'll understand better if we get drunk.
You're not holding back, I see. Your health, then. After Zizka took us prisoner, it finally became clear we were on the same side. And Istvan had to flee.
So the fucker's still alive.
Not any longer.
You? Well done. Let's drink to that.
To our enemy's death.
Henry að sötra, þeir að sötra og ég að sötra. Þetta liðið.
Just when we thought we were out of the woods and Istvan was gone, he appeared outside the walls of Nabokov again, with von Berghoff and Markvart von Aulitz. Von Aulitz was on his way to Kuttenberg with reinforcements for Sigismund. And with the finger of God.
With the what?
A bombard.
Good lord!
Have you ever seen one? I hadn't, until they used it against us.
I've heard about the bombard. An infernal weapon. Then what?
We didn't have a chance. They blew the tower to pieces and took us all prisoner. They took us to Trotsky and tortured us. But with the help of a woman who works with Zizka, we managed to escape.
Zizka. That man always has a trick or two in reserve.
Thank God. While we were making our escape, I crossed paths with Toff. Finally took my revenge for everything he did.
Dull moment with you, I see. To happy endings.
Var bara hella er samt betra en Noreg.
Nej.
And where is Lord
Nej.
Capon? Or should I call him the Prince of Poachers?
Ég
held að áttir ekki
The most fitting thing to call him would be hostage. Because that's what he is now.
Það er cap.
Hostage?
Það er bara nóg cap.
That's right. Von Berghoff took him with him. And that's why I'm here, in fact.
Your original plan went badly awry, I must say.
Ég var 042 í KD.
Já. Það er bara fucking kallast.
Ég var með hvað mörg kills? Það sjá 4, 5 6 11 12, 13, 14, 15 Ég var með 16 kills í gær, hvað var Nóri með?
Nóri var með svona 45.
Nei. Ég ætlaði að leita á honum.
Ég get að tjekka það.
Ég er að því.
Nóri Vei var með 16 kills.
Já.
Nei, 26. Það er 26-35, það er nú slæmt, sko.
Já, 074 í KD.
Ég var hvað?
That could have been worse.
That's the way of the world. For my part, I'm forced into hiding, as you've probably noticed.
20 í KD.
They're after me as if I
ég bara besti síðplayer á okkur öllum?
If only I knew what God would say.
Þú ert að byrja að drekka aftur.
I know exactly what you say as that happens.
You do?
I spoke to Yods just after we arrived at Sukhdal. He expressly forbade me to look for you or try to rescue Capon.
Damned. Did he say why?
Ég sagði ég og Grímur og pari, Nóra og Bala og svona pari og þú ert botn á tunnunni.
Capon has nothing to fear in captivity.
Yost.
If we cause trouble for Sigismund, it could threaten his plans, he said. That's cowardice, if you ask me.
It's true I can take care of myself. But the old schemer could at least have warned me, whatever his plans might...
Zizka sees Jobst as a pain in the arse. I mean, he's not fond of him.
Then I expect he and I will see eye to eye. Although I prefer a different strategy to braining all of... Even so, what brings you to me? You didn't take this risk just to tell me what Jobst is like or that I should carry on with what I'm doing.
My first concern is to rescue Lord Capon. Whatever.
And then...
Þú finna lykilinn á það?
Ég þurfti ekki að finna lykil, ég þurfti náttúrulega corrosive á hann padlock. Bara brenna hlutið.
And also, it's about your safety.
Alveg gengin af görn.
My safety?
Hún var að lappa bara í 30 mínútur.
You know how I said we were torturers? Well, I asked about you as well. That is, Istvan asked. With the torturer there, it was hard. In the end, we told them where you were.
Where I am. In this city, you mean? That's not such a terrible betrayal. Kutenberg is a big city.
Yes.
It's like looking for a needle in a haystack.
Not that they have not tried. They almost caught you a couple of times. If it were not for my people.
That's true, of course. But I'm not going to bear a grudge. The executioner always gets what he wants. And if he hadn't, we wouldn't be talking right now.
I apologize.
No need. It's not your fault. Nevertheless, let's turn the page.
That's exactly why I came to see.
Oh. How's that?
Because you know how to do it.
You have a lot of...
Well, I don't have many options.
Sigismund confiscated the property of some burghers and noblemen in the city when they opposed him, and he divided the property up between his loyal followers. He seized Malashov Fortress from the Rutards, for instance. And didn't you say, Sam, that he gifted it to von Berkhoff?
Yes, that is so.
That was before von Berkhoff was in these parts. But if he's here now, where else would he be but in Malashov? And if von Berkhoff is there...
That's where his captive will be.
Order up.
Correct. Capon is at Malashov Fortress.
Ja, you.
Ja, you.
Entry key. Thank you, sir.
Well, that's fucked then. How the hell 3 of us conquer a fortress? And 1 of us a woman?
That's a conquest I'd like to see. It would go down in history.
The history of suicidal madness.
You can't just launch an assault on Malashov. It's a strong fortress. We'll need a cunning plan.
Or long ladders and lots of men. That could be arranged, maybe.
Careful! Jobst ordered us not to stir up trouble. And this would be serious trouble. But if Capon simply vanished...
Vanished how, exactly?
I don't know yet. But like I said, Malashov belonged to the Rutards. And I'm sure they're not keen on the new tenant. I think if you pay a visit to Sir Kunslin Rutard and convince him you have common interests, he'll be happy to think up a solution with you.
Like what?
Who knows? Perhaps Lord Rutard knows of a back door into his old home. And he might not be averse to an arrangement with someone who'll help him take revenge.
Someone like you.
Why would he need convincing? You said he had had a serious quarrel with Sigismund.
Sigismund has made many enemies in Kutenberg. He kicked off important burghers from the council, confiscated patricians' property, and imposed taxes and duties on them. But he's not stupid. He hasn't completely beggared anyone, so they'd still have a lot to lose if they confronted him directly.
It just made them fear him.
I'd rather call it caution.
Well, I wouldn't get my hopes up. But it's the best we've got. And there's no harm in trying.
Sigismund seized his fortress, but, surprisingly, he let him keep his palace in...
All right.
Once you have some news, you know where to find me.
Come to think of it...
We're in the Jewish quarter, in the basement of the King's Sut below my tavern. Goyim do not just wander in here, but I will tell my...
Thanks, Why are the Jews helping you?
Because I asked them to. Most Christians avoid Jews. And probably wouldn't even think of looking for something or... Besides, the local Jewish community have no love for Sigismund or von Berkhoff.
They know von Berkhoff?
Sadly, they do. Von Berkhoff instigated a pogrom in Prague.
Yeah.
Not long ago, our new king, those who survived fled here.
What are you doing here?
That's a good question.
You're not.
I gave him some information before I had to go. Jobst thinks, quite foolishly I might say, that he'll be able to make a deal with Sigismund.
You don't believe Jobst's plan will work?
Trusting your own plan tends to be a big mistake. It's better to assume something will go wrong. That's why I always have at least 2 plans. And the backup includes all of Sigismund's opponents. The city is full to the brim with them. Nearly every noble house has lost some property to him. They can't do much on their own. But if they joined forces, now that could make a difference.
All right.
Good luck. And be careful. There's...
Tell me about it.
Ja, då får så små björnar som är injured. Hurden.
I'm always glad to see the right people.
Fullt. No. Hvað er menn ekki komin á lappir þá? Hún er 7. Fáðu nú smá vín þarna.
Who's opening that? What's that?
Ég.
God bless.
I don't have anything for...
All right.
I talked to Knuckles.
Let me guess.
Well,
That's Knuckles for you. But I think he'll eventually understand it's better to think of the... Nevertheless, until you find something out...
Hinnek gave Hogg a peculiar riddle. We can't quite figure out...
Old Greaser was known for those.
A vineyard in the town. Strange, but who knows? By the water that gushes, now listen and try to keep your eyes open so that you can tell. Shortly after the midday bell, you'll find...
A vineyard? I only know the one outside of town. But riddle in the part with the water.
Well, thanks.
Hvað rugl er þetta? Er ekki partur af þessu gengistrakkur? Já.
Who's there? Off you go, quick! You can't just stroll around here without so much as a by your leave.
Careful.
Já, þetta er þroskaðarleikur. Stocky man.
Keep close to the others. It's not safe here.
Hver að fucking tala það mig?
Juicy apples, yellow and red. Come and buy some apples.
Ha. What the fuck?
Why the not? Tarry a while, young man. Are you truly...
Aye.
Huh. And you're clear... Know that the immortal soul inherently makes no distinction between happiness and unhappiness. Happiness and unhappiness are nothing but inner feelings. Delusions that pale in comparison to eternity. Tell me, what path have you chosen in life?
A man should be fearless, prepared, and tough enough to...
A warrior. Shining armor. The blade of a sword. Heroic deeds and glory. Is that your life?
Something like that.
Everything turns to dust eventually. What if I told you only one path leads to eternal salvation? A path destined for those who see the light, who understand. The path of true faith, divine love, and unending humility. And that is a path you too, my young friend, can follow.
What should I do?
Renounce your life of sin and accept Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior, according to his teachings, unreservedly and unconditionally. Christ must enter your soul. Fill it to the brim. Hell is approaching, and time is running out. Repent and pray, young man. Step forth onto the path towards salvation.
All right. I'll pray and repent, and trust in the salvation of my immortal soul. I hope it works.
A wise decision, young man. I must be off now, young man. May God be with you. And the best...
God be with you too.
God be with you, good sir.
God be with you.
You said you needed some help with something.
Something's happened.
What is it?
When I was fishing around for information about Liechtenstein, I cast the net a bit too wide. And one of the servant girls I've questioned was just found dead. I don't know. If I did, I wouldn't be asking you for help.
I'll help you. Tell me all about it. Who was this?
Her name was Alice. I heard they found her all hacked up, tossed somewhere by the town wall. They took the body to the morgue by the St. Peter and St.
I'll go take a look at her.
I think that would be for the best. You can ask the gravedigger for details.
When did you last...
Around...
And did you notice anything?
Not at all. She was... though I'm afraid she won't be dancing.
What was Alice trying to find out for?
She always brought me the freshest gossip overheard from her master. And lately, what the other maids in town was...
And did you learn anything important from her? Something...
That's the thing. All she brought me was gossip. Who was cheating on who wasn't going to confession, those sorts of things. So, you'll have to figure out the rest.
What about your other girls?
Yes, fortunately. I'm careful enough. That's why Alice's death
What are you gonna do?
I'd like to ask the others if they noticed anything suspicious. If someone...
But you don't want to scare...
I'm scared myself. For them. Maybe nobody knows about them yet. If someone was to follow me, and I can't risk that.
What if I go and see them?
They don't know you, Henry. I'll figure something out.
Do you think there could be something bigger about...
I don't know. Maybe she just... But it's strange. Why would someone do her like that?
Why did you ask me in particular?
Because you're the only one I... But don't take it the wrong way. I'm not even Zhishka would be of much help to me.
I know everything on...
Good. In the meantime...
Já, þetta helviti. Já, þetta var líka kvöld. Okay. Zhishka. Pastor Henry. Hvað áttu að gera?
Það er hérna bara dollu nóttir.
Varstu að drekka í gær?
Nei. Þegar ég fór undir á dollu núna, maður bara kom ekkert út. Síðan þegar ég fór núna, þá er þetta grjótart kvikindi.
I don't... What sort of skill... Here in the graveyard, there's nary a moment when nothing needs fixed, and sometimes I can sneak...
Ég? Já. Horfður á myndböndin á hann, eða?
Nei.
Það verður að horfa á fyrsta, það er rosalegt.
Ég horfi á það stundum, en ég er ekki með...
Þú var að setja hljóða það.
Já, heldur ég nenni að hlusta á því drulla.
Já.
Ertu veikur í þínu kortli?
Þetta er legendary, sko. Klóster og þess að Pollock painting.
Ertu að drulla aftur?
Nei, það er mjög. Mástu splitfixinu úr svínin. Tjóðan fokk, ég fyndi maður.
Já, við þurfum bara að klára það leik.
Báðu fokkin hellaðir.
Við vorum svo farnir þarna eitt skipti maður.
Já.
Hvað vorum við að gera það kannski?
Já, svo fyndið. Ég bara venda allt skvið.
Varstu með grímöksstaðar í gólfið?
Jukes, hann bara alltaf að smita mann.
Ég að segja.
Nei, þetta kom með lifuröfiki bara. Gul augu og...
Þú var ekki bara að drekka mikið, sko.
Nei, ekki það smá.
Vá, 2 bullets. Shit, þessi ég punk.
Sátti gæðin í split fixin. Það var að gista þetta Lexi svona gríms. Það er grímur á tjammin eða eitthvað.
On them so quietly they don't notice me until they get the whip.
Grímbróður.
Both of those sound useful.
But before we get started, this is not going to be for free. Got it?
I understand. I'd be happy to pay you.
Great. So what are you interested in?
Tell me how to be as...
I've been... well, alright.
Er ég bara að læra Stealth Master og Knuckle Bearing Master.
You must be the local...
Oh my god.
Greetings.
I hear that...
True.
Another.
People ain't got no respect. As soon as... So if you ain't one of them gawkers, you must be one of them other types. Well, no. You can't shave her. No.
I don't want to take anything.
Like what?
Who killed her?
Why?
I'm worried something might happen.
That's true. She wasn't the first, and we can only pray that it's true that Lumiere
Hvað er
ain't
þetta,
shown no
serial
interest
killer?
in her yet. I wouldn't expect that from him no more.
Who's this Lumiere? Another one of those walkers and collectors?
Já, ég er búinn með einn. Þetta er bara 3 sopar.
He actually tried to help.
Help?
Satt hún var lengi með Einar.
How? Well,
Einar af bjórum.
Ekki
he
nógu
was
lengi.
investigating them others.
Right. You said she wasn't the first.
Aye. We had a couple of
Hvað
similar
meinar, ég
cases.
var opnað fyrir svona korter?
Lumiere said they was all killed by the same
Já,
murderer.
þú vart svona korter með 500 millilitra.
He used to work for the local bailiff. I think he knew the first one what was killed, but that was a long time ago.
Ég er svo fullar, sko, ég er hættur að þamba, sko.
Do you remember how many girls were killed?
You don't know nothing
Yeah.
about it? Here, even the sparrows are walking about it.
I haven't been in Cumberland very long.
I see.
Ég er bara Henry.
There's been one every few weeks for the
Já,
past
Sir
year.
Arlen of Pennytree með alls titling.
You know where the last one got killed?
I heard him talk about it when they brought her here. But what do you
Ég
want
ætla að
to do
senda þér
there?
minnbandi þegar ég var
Look
runga
for
fyrir
clues. Footprints, blood, anything.
That can help you.
Myndir þú senda það strákan?
I heard she was killed by the town walls, close to the hole in the wall,
Yep.
dodgy tavern in the Hoprink neighborhood.
Thanks. What's this Lumiere got to do with this?
Well, like I told you, he used to work for the bailiff. I think he was a scribe.
A scribe keeps records in the Black Chronicle. Though I've never heard of one.
Ég er á það góður, ég er bara hættur að segja það, sko.
Well, the old bailiff wasn't all that interested in the common folk. But Lumiere, he was quite helpful. Folk heard about it and went to him with whatever was troubling them.
I'd like to speak with Lumiere. Do you know where I can find him?
At his home in Bohemia Street, that's near the church. You won't find him at the bailiff's no more. I don't know exactly why, though. Seems he had some quarrel with the bailiff.
Thanks. You've been a big help.
It's my pleasure. especially helping someone from the land of the living again. Actually, wait a mo. Speaking of the living, there's a girl what comes here and grieves over that dead maid. I think her name is Barbara.
And do you know where I could find her?
She said she serves in one of the burgers' houses. So either there or in the morgue with that poor dead girl.
Thanks again, Master Gravedigger.
Ég orðinn stressaður fyrir þessu að vera weekend trófíin. Svenni. Ef þú poisonar draslið þá getur þú drepið dýr.
Nú?
Já, því að þá countar poisonu sem morðið ekki Henry. Vistu það?
Nei.
Þannig að maður getur alveg þá ekkert stressaður.
Hvað var poach?
Ha? Já, ég meina þá getur bara drepið dýr bara með poison.
Já, það skiptir einhverjum, ég var ekkert að selja fucking kjötið mitt, ég var alltaf bara að drepa dýr til að geta það, sko.
Nei, ég er að tala sko þessu úlfana.
Já, meina það. En síðan fókast upp maður og þú skýtur hann og kanta sem kill. Þú bara veist ekki að því. Þú getur litið að séða hvað þú hefur drepið dýr í þarna...
Jep.
Ói, ég bara ræði allir byrjum tilbaka.
Alveg sannig. Fekkum við að segja bók í liðinni. Punches, kicks and a few slaps.
Og þú varst ekki búin að lesa þessa bók?
Nei.
Nei. Punches, kicks and a few slaps.
Alltaf að græða.
Herru. Var ég að panta bara hnetur?
Ja! Keftir þér bóla allu skall.
Open her entire belly.
8 skall fyrir
330.
Gerðu það?
Það er bara too late núna sko klukkan orðin.
Nei, þeir senda fram á kvöld.
Jesus Christ.
Pappi bara eitthvað, þetta er drekka. Heimsend ykkur bíu.
Já, ég sagði líka að pappi ég var hættur að drekka. Hann var bara, hvað er þetta? Ég alveg grímpanda þetta.
Heldur að teka því eftir þú handóndi klukkan 11 í morgunin.
Nei. Já, bara inn í herbyggi.
Kjaftaði lappa síðan inn í eldhúsmaður 11-12 handóni til að búa til tekeks.
Já, var það klukkan 12.
These are more like chops than cuts.
Nei, ég held ég geti yfir nóttina, sko. Svo var ég bara að fara aftur í. Svo var ég bara vakandi í ykkur rugli þetta.
And an axe would have made a bigger mess, but it couldn't have been a long sword. It would have been clumsy. It was something shorter and nimbler. God. That madman cut off both her breasts and bits of flesh. But what did he do with it all afterwards? Did he really keep all the pieces? Nobody could be that sick, could they?
Ert þú morðinginn eða?
Her face is a little
skera hana í
bruised and
tittin og
cut,
eitthvað.
but nobody cut her there. But she has a
Herri, ég
dark
get
ring
opnað
around her
þarna.
neck. Was she strangled?
Level 3,
The
excellent.
murderer and her hair is all matted with blood and hacked off. Maybe there's something more to
Þetta
it.
eitthvað serial killer sannig.
What if the murderer kept her hair
Einhverja við
like
það
some kind
kattinning
of
af
sick trophy?
Líka mér.
Just some scratches and bruises, that's all. The killer probably surprised her.
ID wristband level
Didn't
3.
even have time to defend herself. So, the murderer must have awfully strong hands, because he strangled her and left a dark ring around her neck. Then he took a short sword or saber and started hacking at her. She's missing parts of her torso, but they aren't by the body. He also cut off most of her hair. He cut off her breasts, but left her tongue, and left her lying there for all to see. Only if it was a warning for telltales, he would have cut out her tongue or something, wouldn't he? I don't know why he killed her. But Are you Barbara?
Alice, she... She was almost like a... Why'd you ask?
I'm trying to find out who did this to her. I'm afraid that... Who did you say?
Our master is a local merchant.
How did Alice get...
Fine. Our master is a bit strict.
What's his name?
Why? But you can't see him.
It occurred to me that maybe he could have done it.
Oh my god, kom bra!
He was gone when it happened. He hadn't been home in several weeks.
Jesus, lekker man.
Why would he kill them others too? He never even knew.
I heard about that.
Well, if you're... Maybe you'll catch him sober enough to talk...
Do you know of any suits?
I know she was seeing someone.
I'd like to talk to him as...
But I don't know who it was. Alice said he was Rick.
And you never saw...
No, never. I don't even know where she met with him.
Do you know what exactly happened to Alice?
No, one day she just didn't come home. And then...
It's awful what they did.
She was such a pretty girl. And it didn't even leave that. Who could have cut off her hair like that?
So, I'll leave you to more.
Cut off her hair and tits. My kind of man. Så. Så ska vi såna.
Vad gick med kvar?
Hangman's hair. Good luck to thieves.
I'm thinking of buying a rowboat, or maybe a punt.
Lumir?
Oh, Christ, my head.
I need to ask...
I said not so loud.
That's some hangover. Unless I'm willing to wait for him to sleep it off, I'll have to... This should sober him. Here. Drink up. Better?
What? Harold the dog.
My name is Henry.
And what do you want from me?
I'm trying to find out who killed a certain girl.
To me?
Are you Lumir from the Rat House?
I used to be.
They say that about you.
Because I was just on some wild... And what came of it?
But I need your help.
If I were you, lad, I'd leave it be. You'll just end up hurting your...
Come now, Lumir.
Poor girls. Nobody was all that interested. We let it be in the end. We let them... No way.
I'm not doing it for myself.
A friend, eh? I searched high and low. And what did I get out? What makes you think you can find out more than I did?
Hvað þarf ég að taka hann að krakka með mér?
Because I'm not stupid, and I notice things.
Is that so? A murder investigation under your belt. And educate.
Well, I said I'm not stupid. Not that I'm
Það
educated.
halda á þessum krakka.
I can read and write, too.
If only more people knew the difference.
Some doesn't even count.
All right. So who was this dead girl?
Her name was Alice. She worked as a maid.
A maid? That fits. Yarka was a maid, too. As were most of the other victims. What did she...
I think that he strangled her first, and then went at her with a longer blade and disemboweled her.
Did you notice the strangulation right away? It took me a while.
Do you think it's the same murder?
Counting your girl, that makes 6 victims who were first strangled, and if it's not all the same person, they might...
This is the 6th one.
Probably about a year now. Sometimes it takes him months, sometimes weeks. But I'm including missing girls.
Why are you counting the...
Because I think someone killed them. And we just...
Did the dead girls have anything...
Aside from being pretty young girls with no proper family or background?
Do you think somebody is killing them because they're poor and nobody...
Certainly. If somebody killed the daughter of a local lord, no stone would be left unturned.
But why does he even kill in the first place?
I don't know. Maybe he hates women. Damn it. I feel like I'm going in circles and can't get out.
What can you tell me about Yarka?
She wasn't the first. But thanks to her, people started taking an interest. She was a maid in a German family.
By all accounts, she was a pious, polite girl. She was orphaned as a child. The priest from the Church of St. Peter and Paul, Father Prokop, raised her. They found her body tossed behind a barn at the edge of town. She was cut all the way from her neck downwards. An awful sight to behold.
Did you have any suspects?
At first, I thought the son from that family did it. The murderer is usually someone close, you know. But then I changed my mind.
Why?
Well, for one,
Þetta var
I
leggja nummer
remember the
75.
two girls before her who ended up almost the same. Besides that, when I talked to the lad, he seemed he wasn't the least bit interested in Yarka. Then his mother told me that they threw her out a week before the murder because she was a harlot who stayed out till all hours of the night.
Ég ekki
It really
nenni shit,
surprised
sko.
me, because Father Prokop had vouched for her good reputation. But who knows? Maybe he just didn't want to admit what had become of her.
What about Stanya?
She was an alehouse wench in a tavern of ill repute called the Hole in the Wall.
You said her body was never found. Maybe she just got out of town.
You have no idea how much I'd like to believe that. Only there was a lot of blood. Unfortunately, the investigation wasn't very successful. The Hole is a world of its own, and the people there aren't very forthcoming with information.
Did you suspect anybody?
You could suspect every second man there. Those people have nothing but thievery and deceit in their eyes. The innkeeper, Mole, definitely knew Stanya, since she worked for him. But he isn't all that chatty either.
So if I want to learn anything more, I have to ask this Mole.
Helming vinna 5 í röð fullt verð og 9 kills önnur rúta. Deal of a lifetime.
He still runs the place.
And what about that?
Hvað sagði hann?
You said her body was never found.
Helming vinna 5 í röð fullt verð og 9 kills önnur rúta.
Nobody
Deal
spent
of a
much time
lifetime.
looking for it. Besides Alice,
Já, ég var svo
she's been
góður í
everyone's
gær.
recent victim. It's only been a few weeks since she went missing.
Það er nummer 5 skall. Það kem ég.
But if her body was never found, how do you know she was killed?
Because she was the same type as the other girls. Maybe the prettiest of them all.
En ég kansla
Young,
rútuna með 14 kills.
beautiful.
En önnur rúta er fyrir 9 kills.
Lively as the devil. She was a thief.
Ég má vera með í þessu díl, ef ég næ 9 kills þá fær mikið í
She
rútu.
always found some way to get out.
Yeah.
Maybe she robbed the wrong people.
Deal of a
and had to get
lifetime,
out of town.
Maybe. She had a partner in crime by the name
Það er
of
deal of a lifetime.
Quite a number. He's always sitting in the hole. When I asked him about Zdena, he told me he'd rather rip his own tongue out.
750. Þú skýðingur.
He might be. You're not known all over town.
Þú sagði bara að kaupa þessa rúti.
It's worth a try. Besides, it might still be fresh in his memory. That would be a great help.
And what about the other two victims?
It all started with them, though nobody did much about it at the time.
Þannig að vinna 5 í röð, ég fær 9 kills, þá er ég bara farin.
She'd only been in town for a short while and nobody really knew her.
Byrja allan að borga 3,750 en við erum 5 í röð þá mann borga 5 skall í viðbót.
She was from Lawrence. She was a maidservant too.
Tap á þessu.
I also talked to her mother. She said she was really cheerful and outgoing. There were lots of
Ég segi alveg að gera
suitors
með 5 skall, sko. Annars er no deal, sko. Það er ekki deal of a lifetime.
Knew she could do better than some farmhand.
You mean she wanted someone higher up?
That's what it sounded like. But her mother never found out who...
Interesting. I'll try...
In the graveyard, lad. It's sad to say, but we can't help those 2 dead girls now. There's nobody else left who could tell us anything about them.
Why were you looking into it? Who were those dead girls to you?
I don't know what people told you about me.
Spila fyrir líf, er mér alveg sama ef ég fær 5 skall. Ekki alveg sama ef ég fær 3,750.
With a lot of people. Silver, silver, silver. Mining it, smelting it, stealing it. There was always something going on. The bailiff was always running from hell to Hades. From one rich man to another, settling their quarrels. Often trivial nonsense.
But there are more than just rich burghers and lords in the city.
Kallar hann að fá eitthvað. Þú bara
There are
síka
common
dílinn.
folk too.
Það voru bett.
There's a lot more of them, and their troubles are usually more serious. So when one of them came
Ég
to
var
the
bara í
bailiff
vinnu í
one
gær í
time,
síð, sko.
and the bailiff was running around somewhere,
Varst þú í vinnu?
I started to do it
Það
myself.
leikaði með alltaf
Pretty good
1-2
at it,
kills
too.
í hverju leik.
Behind the bailiff's back.
Not really. Andreas supported my activities.
Ég var svo fullur í gær.
Recent.
What happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
Did you have any suspects?
You can always find... I always dragged the most suspicious ones to the body in the morgue by force. And... they
Ha!
at the site. Or fainted.
Couldn't it have just been an act?
Fainting?
Já, borgarrútan, hún kostaði
That's hard to ask.
6.650.
None of them did it.
Ég ekki að fara að borga taxisendingakostnað. Ég bara borga rútin.
Það bara honum að kenna að fara ekki ríkið. Ekki mér að kenna.
Unfortunately, we only know a little about the last 4, the most recent ones. By now, we won't learn anything about the first 4. Of the remaining 4, the first to be killed was the maidservant, Yarka. She was raised by Father Prokop from the Church of St. Peter and Paul.
Já, hvað okkur kannski ekki drullast í ríkið, það opnaði 13:40. Það var opnið 6, sko. Já, 5 klukkutíma.
They both hung around a tavern they called the Hole in the Wall. Stanya was an alehouse maid.
Ég opnaði 7, sko.
And the last victim is Alice now. What they all have in common is that they were young, beautiful.
Good.
When you learn something more, stop by and see me.
Þá hafði þeir 40 myndið til að vera ríkið. Já, að segja Svenni sér rotta.
Vaknaði 13:40, hann dónir, vinna 14:26.
Nam.
Kom nam.
Ég veit
Keep close to the others. It's not safe here.
Stinking beggar. Já, vinnur. Ég bara treyst á þig. Gera aldrei aftur. Ég var bara að kaupa rútu sjálfur og vera svo ekki viss hvort þú kemur aðra. En ef þú vilt spila aftur á morgun þá þarf að panta aftur, sko.
Good day. What do you need?
I would like to...
I appreciate...
There's always something...
Not far from Horshan, Perun's... I'm not at all pleased with the heathen. Pray over...
What penance do you give?
Bless yourself.
It's time to go. Father?
I don't have time for theological discussion.
That's not why I'm here. My name... Someone killed and gutted a young maidservant and left her body lying by the city walls. And I hear it's not the first time this has happened.
Another one murdered. May the Lord grant her eternal rest.
Það rétt.
Why is it you ask?
Það ennþá að snjóa, sko.
I fear for my sister.
Yes. Fear for those close to.
One of the other victims was a girl named Yarka. What can you tell me about her?
About Yarka?
Where did you know Yarka from?
I knew her since she was a little girl. Her family.
And?
I was her uncle. When my brother and his wife died, I took care of her.
Who do you think killed her?
William, that pig of Satan. He gambles in the tavern on All Saints' Day and leads the locals astray. Yarka always went there to listen to music.
Why do you think it was William? Do you have any evidence?
Evidence? He's a skirt chaser, a tool of Satan. He messes with poor girls' heads.
And does anyone else come to mind?
No.
You raised her?
Yes. Unfortunately, I'm not the first of the clergy to have a child on the side.
No offense, but how did you know what?
I was a bit, maybe...
How does that even work?
When she was small, I could.
Herzlich
When she
willkommen.
grew up, she had to go. It would...
Why do you think you were too hard on her?
Yarko was an orphan, with no family. Her only chance of a good life was a good upbringing. But the more I led her in that direction...
You're well off, though. Couldn't you provide for her?
I couldn't. Even if she had been my very own. More so, since she was my brother's.
But how come?
The church's property always remains the church's. They keep a close eye on that.
Skrapp hérna. Það.
How did she rebel against you?
She wouldn't listen.
Vá, hvað það lítið snjóti.
She ran away. She ran around with all sorts. And how did it turn out? She died.
Disgrace? What the devil are you talking about?
She was pregnant! Even if she had lived, what then? Nobody would want...
Why don't you respect Lumi?
That's my business. You needn't concern yourself.
Nej, hon var Dalvik
I
där.
won't tell you anything.
Come now, Father. I'm not just asking out of curiosity. Isn't it written in scripture? Speak up for those
Ja,
who
bara ég
have
er búinn að vera svo miklu spjalli núna í þessu leik. Ég veit ekki hvað er að gerast, sko.
Ekki til fylgst með það.
Ég er bara, nei, ekki. Eða, ógeðslega erfitt að vera
Slandered me in public.
And how...
einbetta sér.
It turned out he was deranged. How could he even think such a thing? He's finished in...
I've heard enough, Father.
Son, I'll give
Breyta
you...
tæmdi þig daginn.
Ógeðslega bein. Alveg ekkert að tæma þig. Ég þarf að gera hérna mission 2 að kvöldi til. Nei. Hann er bara að horfa lofalega, þetta fær ekki neitt. Hann er bara vild.
Hann er bara vild.
Be careful. It isn't safe around here.
Þú verður ekkert fengið puttaði restin eins og ég. Því srugl var það maður, ég var svo fullur.
Þetta er fyrir bara tíu á mér. Nei, komið. Hvað, þú veist putt í braskan?
Já, þessi fór líka niður á hana á túr.
Það er bara ógeðslega sem ég...
Wanna be?
Já.
Fancy a bit of a shooting contest? Sure, why not? I'd be happy to stretch my arms.
Satt að búðast í viku.
All right, let's go to the quarry below St. Barbara's, and we'll be shooting with a... I'm afraid I understand.
Is
that offer? Of course.
All warriors get their sword bloodied.
I have my bow ready.
Once in a while.
We start. We can, but how about a... Of course. Agreed.
Ég ekki að reyna að safna pening, samt að það 12.000 skall. Hvað er það skriðinni? Nam. Og hvað er langt? Er ég að vera ná að hitta í miðin eða? Það held ég ekki, vinnur. Ha? Ég held að það sé bara í næstu viku. Ekki hitta. Ekki hitta. Yes!
Well, now that's sweet. And on top of that...
All right, fair enough. I'd better go.
I'm sure this won't be the last...
Take care, my friend. May God...
May God and Saint Sebastian be with you. Þá segir þú, já. Hvað quest hérna? Find the seal in the tomb. Já, hérna eitthvað nýtt mission líka. Investigate the area. Hvað þetta? Talk to the captain. Og hérna. Pray at the Pearl Spring.
Veitu, ég pikkaði upp þennan fæl.
Það var alltaf mikið að gera hjá Henry. Það er bara fullandi vinni hérna.
Nei. Gauir, okkur þarf þetta að lifna við þetta ógeð,
My horse, you idiot.
Quick!
What the fuck?
I hope that's enough.
Fuck!
Quick!
My humble respect.
Ertu enn að ná að selja Emil að þú sért að drekka epladjús? Jep.
Hey, youngster. You alright, kidder?
Was there something you wanted?
Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. What's your name?
Henry.
Henry of Skellets.
Nice to meet you. Well, Henry, you can't read and write by any chance?
Aye.
Brilliant. You're just the man I...
Really?
Someone trustworthy who could help me write...
And you were just waiting in case one happened to walk past?
Of course there is. It's just that I don't trust the bugger. And his assistant, even worse. What's more, I can tell at first glance you ain't local, so my trade secrets are of no use to you.
So, you want me to write a letter for you?
I couldn't have put it better.
What kind of letter?
Like I said, it's an important business letter.
Are you offering him something?
Aye. You could say that, actually.
What do I get for writing?
A whole heap of coin, pal. It's really important for me. I don't mind giving you a groschen for every word.
Really?
Very long.
All right.
Brilliant. But before we get started...
What's this supposed to be?
I was given this here parchment by one wandering student.
how many miles you've wandered at such a grueling pace. Rest your feet, dear maiden. Sit here upon my face. That sounds more like bawdy verse than a love letter.
Is that what it says? Bugger. But it's clear you can read, so...
Where are we going to write the letter? I can see neither parchment nor an inkwell.
Oh no, we can't write it here.
Well then...
You have to go to Kuttenberg, in the northern part of town, known as the Miners' District. Enter the city by that gate. Keep going straight. The building made...
Hold on.
I'm afraid I've got things to be doing, but don't worry.
Can't you tell me anything more?
Nothing to tell. Like I said, I'm in a wrangle with the... And what better way than a...
Right, so I go to the city, and in the Miners' District, I find your office. Well, they'll dictate the letter to me and pay me.
That's right. There's one more thing, though. Tell them two in the office that justice is worth more than silver, so they know it's me what sent you.
You have a password? Why?
You know, when coin's at stake, you can't trust anyone. But that's enough chit-chat. Off you go, don't keep them waiting, and welcome to the world of Kuttenberg businessmen.
Kom snakkbaldur gera það.
See you, my friend.
Já. Manstu ekki eftir því?
Nei. Ég var alltaf bara að vera edru í viku og svo bara fulli strax, sko.
Nice.
Hvað, okkur sendur ekki klippið þau bara á aðan?
Þetta var ekkert sögum að það var bara eitthvað sem að greip baki hann.
Quick!
Já, ef þú setur Bane Potion á vopni, en þá drifur það, countar það ekki sem morð.
Ég komið svaka...
What about that procession of ours? What do you think? You left us in the lurch, so now leave...
Because it is Bane.
It doesn't matter now. Come in the morning and watch the shooting. Foreman Vlack invited you. You shouldn't disappoint...
Niður á hana meðan hún var á tús. Ná, juicy dose.
Er það frændið þinn, eða?
Ég held að myndi alveg fíla það frekar en þið, sko.
Ha, hvað segja? Þetta var annar missa sem ég mist af, en það er samt ekki ónýtt. Þannig að það skiptir ekki máli ef þú missir af missunum, það skemmist ekki.
Það er bara sum, sko.
Já, ég meina ég er búinn að missa af 2 núna, en þau eru samt ekki ónýtt, sko.
Nei.
Æ, þetta helviti.
Ég er bara búinn að taka allt blóðið.
Því man ekkert eftir að ná því þennan, Stand and Fly.
Hvað segirðu? Já. Hann var góður vinur pappa eins og þegar við varum að stofna til
Klakk. Ætli ég að hafa lagað klukkuna?
That's what I like to hear. When you're done,
Veit það.
come back.
Já, þú, hvað varst að spila alveg í ykkur 5 klukkutíma að gera?
Ég veit það ekki.
Það varst að spila eitthvað mikið, eða?
Nei, ég spilaði hann all... Ég veit það ekki. Kannski hef ég bara slögt streamin og haldið áfram, sko, ég veit það ekki.
Þú þarft að hafa bara streymi í gangi, sko.
Andíks.
Þótt enginn sé að horfa maður svo þú getur tjekkað á hvað varst að gera.
Jep. Maður sjá. Forza Racing Horseshoe. Vá, gaman. Vist það svo leiðilegt, sko.
Það meina bara chill.
Það er eitthvað leiðilegt þú getur blacksmith.
Hvað, ertu ekki nógu góður í blacksmithinu og þú ert bara með eitthvað squire til að gera horseshoe og svona working axes og eitthvað?
Nei, hvernig gerir maður það?
Þú bara progressar, sko, bara betur og betur. Þegar ég var í þessu, sko, þá var ég alltaf í blacksmithinu og það var allir bara að gera allt fyrir mig, sko.
Já, fegstu góð vopnað?
Já. Files.
Ég nú enga stund að hendi í hestasjú núna, sko. Klikk ekki á hamri. Ég besti blacksmith suður af Ölpunum.
Ég vantar alveg fullt af færi. Construction notice.
Er hann að flauta það, eða? Skálmöld.
It's almost finished.
Hvað þýðir skálmöld? Hvað er það?
Hvað segirðu?
Hvað er skálmöld?
Skatta?
Nei. Ég held að það sé hjálmur. Skálmöld. Enga stund að hendi Racing Horseshoe. Deliver the products to Magdalena and suck her tits while you're at it.
Þetta er bara eitthvað vegnum á leiðina í garás.
Hvar er þessi til þess að?
Já, ég þarf að spila hann leik margóft, sko. Ég er búinn að sjá hérna nokkur trófíða sem ég er búinn að missa bara, sko. Það er ok. Það verið gaman að spila hann leik áttum að þegar maður veit hvað er að gera, sko. Ég er bara hrættu núna, sko.
Já. Hvað er Magdalena? Hún er hér.
I'm finished.
Great. Great work.
How's trade?
I've got the call.
Thank you very much.
Blacksmith's Commission. Ég ætla að Grímur að sagði hann kemur til 5 mínútur.
Ég meina þetta er Jensson, sko.
Já, þetta er farandi þinn. Ég held að það myndi miklu frekarlega fram til þinni minn, sko.
wake up! Come on!
Oh, I've got to knock this
Stand
fucking
here
shit
all
off.
I know.
I'm sorry.
One beer.
Já, getur hann kent mig núna á þess að fucking snappa.
Welcome.
I'd like to...
What do you want?
I'd like...
All right.
Bjóðum með þrjúsunni.
Eyja.
I'd like to learn something.
What is this about?
Show me a...
Show me a wrestling trick. Oh my god.
It's good to see you, my friend.
Fuck. Herðu, það gerist ekkert. Rapid flight. Fljótur. Já, já. Picketpacking successful.
How can I help?
Did Estania work?
Stanya, it depends.
My name's Henry.
Names don't interest me. The main thing is whether it's a good guest. What kind of guest are...
I'm a good guest.
Really? Let's see.
By whether he's got coin.
Aye. No coin, no... I like talking to... So,
What if I simply paid you? I want to know if Stanya works here.
she did. And she don't know more.
I heard she disappeared without a trace. So I'm trying to find out if anyone had anything to do with it.
It's possible. The chamber... The door open. Everything
know.
emptied out. And stuff.
Tell me something else.
First, you'll have another beer.
What?
If you want to ask, you have...
You're quite...
I prefer to be called so.
I don't want to pay you any more. I think you could answer my questions directly and not always try to wheedle money. That makes it look like you might have some motive for keeping me from finding out anything.
Nonsense. How could you ask me anything?
Did anybody see what actually happened when Stanya...
No, it was at night. Nobody's... The tavern tends to be empty at that hour. And you won't meet many people on the street.
What was Stanya like? What can you...
A bold woman. One has to be here. Everyone's ballsy here unless you nip it in the bud right... She was hanging around a bard for a while. I don't know how close they were, but she also had another suitor.
Someone from the city?
No, a charcoal burner. I heard he was from somewhere in the, Verchlitz Valley. I think his name was... Barton?
What do you know about that bard?
What about him? He's a minstrel, a skirt chaser. What more can I say? He called himself William. As far as I know, he plays in the Miners' Tavern in the evenings. But sometimes he shows up here, too.
You think he might have been the one who...
Now that you mention it, he cleared out of town for a while and only came back not long ago. It could be him, all right. I know he met with some odd people and talked about God knows what, like bloody spies. Besides, you know what minstrels are like. Lasses just flock to them. And like they say, opportunity makes the thief.
Or in this case, a murderer. Apart from those men, did anyone else... I mean, more intimately?
Well, I've got bad news for you. She had two clothes.
Why?
One was hit by a cart, even before... And the other one got married.
How did Stanya...
The door was wide.
Blood?
Not so... If some...
Where can I find...
I already told you.
Could you be a bit...
I don't know. So if I...
That's all I need to know.
There you go.
Are you Sternad? The one that went with Zdena?
Oh,
Who the
stand up
fuck
there.
are you?
Just an ordinary bloke who has some...
Well, then piss off. All you're gonna get here.
Why so rash? Let's make a deal. You tell me everything you know about Zdenna.
Ah. You're the lord what that whore robbed. Don't worry about it.
So, if I understand...
Great
I'll tell you.
Is this the right...
You fucking bet it is.
Where can I find...
Aye. That's what I like to fucking know too. Last time I saw her... Well, that'd be back when she managed to...
Yeah.
I can well imagine. Well, she went to Ravs. She had some unfinished business with some bloke.
What can you tell me about...
What do you want to hear? I try to keep her out of trouble, but...
So you were taking care...
Well, just in front of the others. Other than that, she did what she wanted.
So you weren't too fond of...
Not really, no.
Did she have any friends or lovers who know more?
Who come to see that bitch? She was always off somewhere, see...
Someone came to see...
Well, aye. Some stuffed frog came here once. He said he had some job for her. That she should leave behind her sinful life. But he left empty-handed.
Do you know who that priest...
Some fucking Prokop or... But that reminds me. I saw her a couple of times with another bastard.
And could she have run away?
With that lily-livered fop? Well, he ain't been seen in town for... He still don't come here no more. He plucks that loot of his in the miners...
What do you know about this priest?
Not much. Seems they knew each other from before. And he had some... But she weren't stupid.
And did he go?
Aye, indeed. He didn't look like the kind of fella that had not... I think he just told her if she changed her mind to...
And could she have changed her mind and gone to him?
No, no.
I've heard enough.
Heavily damaged pickpocket shoes. Ah! Er det svona ég ekki með materials á mér?
Þetta boom of materials?
Nei, ég hef tekið það af. Nei, hvað regla er þetta? Já, það er alltaf lagi. Það er inn í áður. Robert Sperons Egerton, ég man ekki eftir að fara í það. Ha? Það er sem að spila nýjan leik. Ég veit ekki hvað er í gangi.
Drekti réttur í röð, maður.
Ég veit sjá.
Herði, já. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 25, 20, 31. Herði, ég er með öll fucking fælana þér.
You can.
Herði, þá get ég bara farið að spila sem Leon S. Kennedy.
You can. Erst þú bara Leon S. Kennedy. Go to the house in Gothenburg to write a letter. Agility. A piercing damage.
Já, hoppa að hann líður eftir þessu stelpu maður. Ég var farin, sko.
Shield blocks cost you 30% less stamina, blunt damage. Charge attack, you stay fully charged attack, your stamina will slowly recover.
Descend into darkness.
Darkness imprisoning me, all I see as her. Er ég bara Sir Henry the Tall? Ladies man. Yeah. Þetta okkur ekki komið Weasel Boy.
Einhver afið, það cutscene í gangi.
Já. Já, ég er notað þetta sverð þarna sem þú veist tala um.
Held ég.
Það sé betra að fæta one-handed bara með ekkert armor eða neitt.
Áttur armor, sko?
Nei, ég er að tala um hérna skjöld. Hérna Sword of Sir Valentine.
Einhver afið, það cutscene í gangi.
Hinkra við, það er cutscene í gangi. Hinkra við, það er cutscene í gangi. Golly!
Maður spila sem Leon maður er með svo stórt fokkin svona inventory pláss. Þegar maður er greis þá er maður bara mikið rass.
Sæll. Hvað, það er bara fullt af missionum hér.
Day to you.
Já, arena fights. Fuck that.
What the fuck?
And WTF. I need to go to the Iron Eagle. Nam. Þetta var bara bjór, það búið bara sníkidrakka. Ég var að sníkidrakka í gær líka.
Hvað varst að sníkidrakka maður? Bara hvert einast orð sem þú sagði og bara slurp.
Good doggy. Good boy.
Nú er bara, hvað ertu að segja?
Það var að henda partí á okkur.
Já.
I'm sorry.
Er það bara baby calm gamer?
Cause fuck that little mouse, cause I'm an albatross.
Er það múin að leggja hana með?
Já.
5.000 skall.
3.750.
Og hvað er dílinn?
Ef við vinnum 5 leiki í röð, þá fáum fullt verð, sem er 7.5. Og ef þú droppar 9 kills að fara aðra rúti.
Excuse me. I'm looking for a man here.
En ég cancela það rúti með 14 kills.
So you know him?
Já.
Or are you?
Ef ég fá 2 9 kills, þá er það 2 rútur. Það er rúta fyrir hvert 9.
I've been waiting for you, Master.
Nei, það er bara 1 rúta.
I wanted to talk to you about a few things.
Hvað heldur ég sé bara...
Sit down and make yourself comfortable. I'll explain everything right away.
Peningapott heima.
Já, hann var að segja að Svenni á 30 milljónar bók.
Good idea. I like when someone has the courage to follow their dreams. The future belongs to those who believe in their dreams. You just mustn't underestimate the raw reality. You've settled in a quarter full of outcasts and
Myndi alltaf svona koma, ef ég var ríkum, myndi alltaf svona koma til mín og byggja pening.
Já, ég var svona að ég ætlaði bara að kíkja heimsókn en það í Njarðvík.
Is there some threat? No, nothing's happened. Not yet.
Look, hvernig hefur það?
Já, man þarf okkur loft í dekkin hjá þér.
But you mustn't forget your neighbors. As they say, the shirt is closer to the skin than if you help those poor folk. And I don't mean with coin, but by pulling them out of the ship. They won't be in trouble later, and they might even come to like you. Understand? We're talking about people here who are rock bottom. But the town belongs to them just as much as to those at the top, and maybe even more.
Er ég að fara að köpa Mossi Elite svona?
Í dæmis maður það er brjála fætinn í gangi.
Thatcher Elite er alveg ekki sexy.
So you want me to try to please the poor? That's up to you and your conscience. When I can save some... You give people food in exchange for old rags. My goal is to give the worthless a new purpose. One day.
What the hell?
We know each other. But what do you need from me?
What the hell, brother?
Personally? Nothing. A gifted artist has got into trouble. And it would be a damned shame to... If you help him, it will be a fine start to our first... So tell me. He was just unlucky. Didn't you say he's an artist? Yes, he recently came to the city to create a calvary for the Kuttenberg Mint. True, and that's precisely the trouble. But he also knows if he fails, he'll be reduced to beggary. And desperation... Did he get mixed up with the underworld? Almost. He wanted to hire old Volf to rob Adam Velvar, with who he was lodging. You see, Velvar has a very pretty wife, who he guards jealously. He accused Damien of seducing her and nearly strangled him. Imagine, the lad had to jump out of the window. Really? Luckily, he survived, but he left all his belongings behind. And now without... And did he do it? I don't know. But what I do know is that Velvar goes to a dodgy bathhouse girl. So he's hardly... And Damien surely doesn't deserve to have the suspicions of one jealous husband ruined. He should go to confession. That was the condition I gave him, and he's all ready. Now it's up to us to get back his things.
I'm Optimus Prime. Autobots, roll out.
What do you suggest? We'll divide the work.
I'm Optimus Prime.
You'll go to Velvar's for Damien's things.
Autobots.
How am I supposed to? At night, it'll be easier. But during the day, you can have a word with Vel. What if it doesn't? Don't worry. I've got good connections.
I'm Optimus Prime.
I'll make sure. All right. I'll help that poor fellow. The townsman, Adam Velvar, threw the sculptor Damien out of his house. But his tools,
I'm Optimus Prime.
Were left behind. You should find everything on the
floor
of the house. in the large room with windows.
Ég
If
ætla
you
ekki
manage to
allt
get
og handónýtu
bring the things to the tower. That's up to you. I'll try to help where it makes sense.
Ég var handónur í gær, ég man ekki næstur að Baldur kom.
Kom Baldur í gær?
Já, ekki. Kom Baldur ekkert í gær? Svenni var að ljúga þig að mér.
Nei, þú bara eitthvað, kom Baldur í gær? Ég bara ekki, já, nú, ég man ekkert því.
Það var Baldur kom ekkert í gær.
Var það ekkert brjálaðast að stela honum bjór, eða?
Nei, það var nóg.
Veitu hvað er það bara með 5 rútir?
Já, 4 held ég.
Þannig ég ætla að koma heim til þín og ná í einn.
Það var alveg að bílans Gríms og hann borgaði honum í bjór.
Hvað, þín fjölla er bara að borga í bjór?
Jep. Það er svolítið þannig. Var ég bestur í CT-gerfinu?
Þú varst það reyndar kukkin, sko.
Já.
0.40, þú hætta þessu. Þú skal sagði það, ég og Nóri voru bara á pari, já, ég var reyndar betri en Nóri.
Who are you? And what are you doing here?
I'm Henry.
Var hann betri en Nóri?
Oh, right. Kviatoslav sent you, didn't he? And there's something you're supposed to tell us now.
Lilla disrespekta og Nóra ætlar að segja að hann væri betri.
Hvað er Arnór Drake?
You know the password.
Akkur heitir hann Arnór Drake?
First, tell me why there's all this secrecy around this letter.
Eitthvað sem þetta titlingin á honum.
Why are we meeting here? It doesn't look like an office.
Well, that's the way it's done in Kuttenberg. There's a lot of coin at stake, so we take precaution. And secrets that everyone knows are no secrets.
But you don't mind getting a complete stranger to write the letter?
Of course we mind. But what choice do we have? If Kviatoslav sent you, we'll take the risk.
Nam.
Nam.
Nam. Tailor made.
Halló.
Góðan dag.
Halló, góðan dag.
Þurfti að logga mig inn á PSN og eitthvað bras. Ég veit ekkert hvað var í gangi. Ég þurfti að logga mig aftur inn.
A nice Greetings.
Nei, ég var að fikta eitthvað í PlayStation appinu
I
í
hope
gær.
you are in good health and good spirits. And likewise your wife.
Never mind his old woman. Is he even married?
Membership,
That
brah.
would bully a woman to death. Write this. You
Cringe.
fucking arsehole. Release him. Pay up. Or we'll fuck you up.
We can't be so brutal. We have to be more polite. Mark calls us a merchant. He's all about coin. We need to, you know, sell it to him.
Hvað er snakkbaldur?
He ain't no merchant. He's a murderer. What do you think Thomas went off to see the world in his... He got rid of him.
So, Thomas was a bat.
I'm just saying we have to stick it to Marco brutally.
Bollocks. If we do that, he'll think there's no talking to us. We have...
Suit yourself. For all I care, you can just draw them.
Well, do it like I said. So, dear Master Markold, I hope this let...
I'll make it sound a bit...
Reynda að láta Nóra giska á hverju þú ert, gauði.
Hver er ég, Nóri?
Greetings.
I'm Optimus Prime.
I trust that this correspondence will find you in good health. Done. Next.
We are writing to you about a serious matter concerning our... Would you please...
Ég er að klára að skrifa hérna bréf. Svo kemur.
Hvað var það? Hvað var það að þrýsta?
I am writing to you in regards to a serious matter concerning our deal.
Kaftinn skítur, það er full squad. Það er full squad.
Ég samt að þá íhuga hvort ég nenni í sít, sko.
We are
Hví?
Demantir.
Hví, ja, demantur karlar.
We can resolve.
Ha, get ég ekki seifa hérna?
What's next?
Right. Why don't you get to the door and fuck off? If you keep sticking your...
We'll never get it written if you don't get to the point.
So, it didn't end up well. We expect from you some remedy that will lead to improving things for both sides. If you
We ask you to rectify the situation to the satisfaction of both sides in this dispute. Written.
All right. Let our mates go free. Otherwise, we'll go to the powers that be and then kick your ass for you. Or your backs up.
Free our captive brothers. Otherwise,
I'm
we shall
Optimus
report
Prime.
your dishonesty.
Alldeles
to
här.
Sigismund.
Why? Once they return to us safe and
Uppställa
sound,
avundsjuka.
and your secret... Why not? If we disappear, he'll be out of danger.
He'll be safe as long as he keeps...
Once our brothers have returned to us safe and sound, done.
Maybe some...
Like, go...
We can't put that in the letter, surely. Yours trustingly in your wise decision.
With regards and trust in your wisdom, yours... That's that.
Great. Give it to me so I can seal it.
We are.
Can't we just...
He knows too much.
Oh, it'd be no good to him anyway. Does he know about our curva?
You must be the biggest idiot in the...
Fuck. Yeah.
Look, that really isn't necessary.
How is that?
I may not understand exactly what went on between you and Markold, but I don't think you can just turn up at his house and not... You need someone to deliver the...
So what? We can just grab anyone off the road and they'll deliver...
Yeah, maybe. But how can you be sure they won't just throw it in a...
Why would they?
Who knows? But that's not the point.
Maybe.
Well, I get to keep my head on my shoulders.
Maybe.
You believe?
Why not?
Sometimes forever, if you're not careful.
Agreed. Take the letter. He lives in a big stone house on the lower marketplace.
Just make sure you don't tell him anything. Some miner gave you some coin to deliver a letter.
You don't have to wait for a reply. But watch how we react. If it goes well and Markold lets our mates go, there'll be a nice pile of silver waiting there for you.
But if you betray us, there'll be a nice...
And if we see you going to the bailiff instead of Markold's place...
All right, all right. I'll hand it over. Keep my mouth shut.
Ja, ég er tilbúin.
Ég held að þið getið tekið bara eitt leik á hann.
Okkur.
Ah!